My name is Santosh and I am a physics teacher. Today my topic is electric potential of a conductor. So we take a conductor, we supply charge in them. Then the charge is directly proportional to the potential difference. So here C is a constant which is known as capacitance of a conductor. And capacitance is equal to ratio of charge by potential difference. Unit of charge is coulomb and potential difference is volt. So the SI unit of capacitance is farad. It is also known as 1 per coulomb, or that is equal to farad. So SI unit of that is equal to farad. So if 1 coulomb of charge with a potential difference 1 volt, then it is known as 1 farad. So C, capacitance depends upon size and shape of the conductor, permittivity of the surrounding, means medium, and presence of other conductor. So if other conductors are there, so that depends upon the C, capacitance depends on the. But C does not depend upon the charge, because if you increase the charge, then capacitance does not increase. So this is wrong. So here the ratio of the value of Q and V is a constant. So here the practical unit, that is equal to millifarad 10 to the power minus 3 farad, microfarad 10 to the power minus 6 farad, picofarad that is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So capacitor is a device to store energy and charge. And here there are two types of capacitor: fixed capacitor and this is a variable capacitor. So here parallel capacitor, the figure is given like this. There are two plates with that is connected. So here capacitance is equal to epsilon naught A by D in the parallel plate capacitor. If dielectric medium K that is inserted in them, so then the capacitance will change, that is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. So here that is equal to C is equal to K epsilon naught. When your capacitance will increase, permittivity that is equal to dielectric constant times of the capacitance with the parallel plate capacitor. So this is about the general introduction of capacitor. Capacitor is a device which store energy and charge. So this is of class 12. Take a screenshot. Thank you.